Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out of this very windy and cold November day, almost Thanksgiving. And this house is a referral from, we did the fathers, and the fathers have been telling the son to get the house washed for a long time. And it's pretty dirty. Actually, it's very dirty. It's like this yellow was black, which means the yellow pops really beautifully when it's clean. But could not use it. You could use higher pressure on the gutters, but the fascia is wood and beginning to rot in several places. So very light pressure is lighter pressure. Put the revolutions, RPMs of the machine down to get a little bit less pressure, so that way when I'm rinsing, I'm not blasting that wood that's beginning to rot. But just one of the areas that came out beautifully clean. You can see it's painted right there, and it's beginning to come off. A little spots beginning to come off. A little bit of rot right there where the gutter's coming out. It's a beautiful home. It's all brick except for wood and one thing of vinyl right there. Everything else is beautifully nice. Now this will look good, and this will make sure they look good. We did the pad the AC sits on. And this is, I'll show you a picture here, right here in the front. So this house is done, and everybody have a happy Thanksgiving and a nice holiday. Relax, eat some turkey. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.